Hey everybody, it's Jason. It's the end of the day. I'm dirty, I'm tired. But I did want to make a really quick video for you. Talk about grinders, angle grinders. Many of you, I'm sure, have this size right here. This is the 4.5 inch. I like the rat tail version rather than the one that you got to hold the whole body. This is like really easy to hold on to. It's about 8 amps, spins at 11,000 RPMs. Got a side handle that you can put on either side. Everybody's got one of these. Or if you don't like that, Bauer also makes a cordless version, which is really handy. But if neither one of those turn your wheels, pick up one of these bad boys. This is the Bauer 15 amp angle grinder. It's part number 50073, I believe. Uses a 7-inch wheel. It's very heavy. I'm not gonna lie, it weighs close to 13 pounds. You can put the handle here, here, or here. But the cool thing is it's got this button here. Mash that down, look at there. The grip turns 180 degrees. So if you want to hold it like this with the handle right there and hold it, that's fine. Or you can just, put it there, or you can put it there. Either way. And you can turn this while it's running. And it does have a lock. Or a safety trigger. It doesn't have a lock. I'm sorry, it does not have a lock. It's got a safety trigger. Oh well, wait a minute. It does have a lock. I'm sorry. But this only turns, these little 4.5 inch grinders, you can get these on sale sometimes for $39. When they go on sale for $29, I always grab one. I think I've got 3 or 4 of them still in a box sitting on the shelf, because I've had this one almost 4 years, and it still rocks. Never had a problem with it. I keep one in the truck and I keep one here in the shop. And it spins at 11,000 RPMs. This bad boy spins at 8,500 RPMs. But don't let that fool you, because when you're talking about size of the wheels, all right, this size doesn't need to turn as fast as this size. And with 15 amps, it's got a lot of torque, and it will cut all day long. It will grind all day long. And if you've got some heavy grinding to do, get you a 7-inch wheel, get that grinder, put it on there. It will knock some metal off fast. And you can get cut-off wheels. You can get flat discs for it. You can get grinder wheels, and I believe you can get a wire brush for it. I don't use it often because it is so heavy, and sometimes I don't have the energy to hold that thing up anymore. But I always grab this one. Again, this is the Bauer. I don't know the part number. I can't read this label anymore. But it's called the rat tail. It's a very easy grinder to grip, and you can work with one of these all day long. And of course, you can get wire wheels, flat discs, grinder discs, cut-off wheels, anything you need on those. So, if you're looking for a new grinder, pick up one of these bad boys. You won't regret it. Thanks for watching.